Okay, students, so today we have completed this chapter. We have done the words meaning and the question answers. Question number 1 is, why do you think it is as if the house were only roof? It looked as if the houses were only roofs because they were covered with the leaves of huge trees. Question number 2 is, why do you think the road looked as narrow as ribbons? The road looked the road looked as narrow as ribbons because Mikey French was flying in the air. Question number 3 is, and the last question is, why do you think he couldn't see Mikey French? French. He couldn't see Mikey French because he was in the bed with a cold. So these are the three questions that we have done today. Other than that, your homework is that you have to make sentences of these three words: narrow, kitten, and ribbons. All right. Thank you.